Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel Accounting Celebrity. Today I'll show you 4 important questions that you must need to know. Trial balance is an important chapter in accounting. When you learn calculation stuff in trial balance, with those you need to know some question answers as well. I will show you right now here. So let's get started. Okay, look at here. What is the first question? What is a trial balance? So it's a definition of a trial balance. You are learning trial balance. You did a lot of calculation stuff in trial balance, but actually you don't know what is trial balance. It's important to learn the definition as well. So a trial balance is a list of the balance on the accounts in the ledger at a certain date. So trial balance is a list of balances. What list? List of the balances generated from the ledgers. You have so many ledgers book. So with the closing balance of the ledgers, business needs to prepare a trial balance. Okay. So when you need to prepare a trial balance? At a certain date. What does it mean? It means that at the end of the accounting period, business needs to prepare a trial balance. Okay. So what is next question? Explain the purpose of a trial balance. So these questions come in different way, like why does a business prepare a trial balance, and what is the objective to prepare a trial balance. Okay, question whatever, answer is same. Okay, so it is purpose of a trial balance. Okay, so it helps to check the arithmetical accuracy. Check the arithmetical accuracy of the double entry bookkeeping. So when your trial balance is balanced, it means that before preparing trial balance, whatever accounts you prepared, those have no calculation mistake or arithmetical mistakes. Okay, so what is another answer here? It assists to prepare financial statement. What is financial statement? At the end of the accounting period, business needs to prepare income statement and balance sheet. Balance sheet is often called what? Statement of financial position. Basically these two accounts are called financial statements. So why financial statements? To know whether business made profit or loss, and from the balance sheet, business used to know what is the status of assets and liabilities. Okay. So financial statement is prepared from the trial balance. When trial balance is ready, then business can proceed to prepare a financial statement. So that is why it is written here that trial balance assists to prepare financial statement. So these 2 points are very good enough to write for 2-3 marks answer. Okay. So what is next? Question number 3. Name 6 types of errors which are not revealed by a trial balance. This is also an important question. So like what are the errors here? 6 errors. First one is error of commission, error of omission, error of complete reversal, error of principal, error of original entry, and compensating errors. So here 6 types of error given, but in the exam maybe you will get 2 errors, 3 errors. Okay, so all 6 will not get together, but you should learn. By the way, if you don't understand like what does this error mean, then you can let me know. You can comment below. I will make another video on these 6 types of errors. Okay, let's move on to next one. Why does a trial balance fail to balance? So trial balance often does not balance. When you have some mistake, it will not be balanced. So what is the reason here? So answer point 1 here, entering a transaction twice on the same side of a ledger. Okay, one transaction you wrote 2 times in the ledger, same side. There are 2 sides in the ledger already, you know, one is debit, one is credit. So in the debit side you wrote same transaction 2 times, or maybe in the credit side you wrote same transaction 2 times. But if you make this type of mistake, your trial balance will not be balanced. Okay, so be careful when you prepare ledger account. Okay, next one is an error of addition within the trial balance. So this is very silly mistake. You have trial balance, you wrote everything correctly, but when you calculate, you made mistake. Calculation is not correct. In this case, your trial balance will not be balanced. Okay, so be careful when you prepare the trial balance. Your calculation must be correct. Okay. Number 3, an error of addition within one of the ledger account. So already you know that from the ledger's account balance, you prepare a trial balance. Yeah. So if you have mistake in the ledgers, your trial balance will not be balanced. If you have any calculation mistake, your trial balance will not be balanced. So before doing trial balance, make sure that all the ledgers accounts are correct. Then your trial balance will be balanced. Okay. So this is 4 questions answer here I gave you. Please learn these questions because these are very important for your exam. That's all for today's lesson. If you have any question, please let me know, comment below, and subscribe my channel. You can share this lesson with your friends. So you take care and bye bye.